If you need to reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 or A26, first charge the battery above 50%, then connect the phone to a working PC or laptop. If you can turn off the phone, do it. If you can't, you need to force restart it. Connect the phone with the data cable to a PC. Press the power and volume down buttons simultaneously to restart the phone. When the phone restarts, quickly press the power and volume up buttons. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and continue to press the volume up button. You have now entered recovery mode. In recovery mode, navigate with the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Now go to Factory Data Reset and press power button. All data is deleted and all settings are reset to factory settings. Note that a hard reset does not delete your Google account. After restarting your phone, you will need to enter your previous Google account and password. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write in the comments. I will answer it as soon as possible. Have a good day and good luck with the reset.